In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Jira. Which one is better? We'll walk through what each platform is built to solve, how their AI features actually help your team, and how to think about choosing the right fit for your work. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, aiming to save money and time by centralizing everything you do. The big problem it targets is what it calls work sprawl, where so much effort gets lost, switching tools, chasing status, and hunting for context. The message is simple. If context is scattered, productivity drops, and ClickUp's goal is to bring that context back into one place so your team can move faster with fewer blockers. At the center of that promise is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant built into the platform. It provides ambient answers, meaning it's always available in the flow of your work to clarify tasks, pull in details, or unblock a decision. It also helps manage projects directly in ClickUp, so you can plan, track, and update work without bouncing between tabs. If you're constantly documenting meetings or writing updates, AI Talk-to-Text is designed to help you type up to 4 times faster by turning your spoken thoughts into clear written content. ClickUp leans heavily into specialized AI agents for different departments. Project management agents track deliverables so you can see what's on time, what's at risk, and what needs attention. Marketing agents help draft copy, so first drafts and campaign messages don't start from scratch. Software agents support engineers by producing quality code, giving technical teams a head start on routine components. Beyond those, additional agents focus on operations and the employee experience, removing the need for repetitive check-ins and helping close the gap between strategy and execution. The platform underscores business outcomes. It reports a 384% return on investment, with organizations saving 92,400 hours and reaching payback in less than 6 months. It's enterprise grade and trusted by millions of teams, with global security standards like SOC 2 and GDPR. The overall positioning is bold. Centralize work, apply AI everywhere, and reclaim significant time each week by reducing context loss and manual busy work. Now let's look at Jira. Jira frames itself as project management for the AI era, focusing your team on outcomes rather than admin. Where ClickUp emphasizes being your all-in-one workspace, Jira aims to remove the work around work by using Rovo AI to jumpstart planning, automate tedious tasks, and surface the right context at the right time so everyone stays aligned. Rovo AI in Jira is all about acceleration and clarity. It helps you set plans quickly, then keeps them alive with automation that handles status updates, follow-ups, and routine chores. Rovo agents can be tasked to build prototypes, write status updates, and flag risks while you maintain control. The goal is a human AI superteam. You set direction and review outputs. AI drafts, compiles, and warns so you can make better decisions faster. Jira also focuses on orchestration. It's designed to connect your entire tool stack in one workspace and tie projects to strategic goals. So everyday tasks aren't just tickets in a queue. They're visible contributions to outcomes the business cares about. By bringing data and work streams together, Jira wants your team spending time adding value, not stitching tools together. So how do these philosophies translate into choosing one over the other? Think of ClickUp as a consolidated operating system for work with built-in AI agents for every department. If your organization wants a single hub to create, manage, collaborate, and generate content or code, that all-in-one approach can simplify tool sprawl and reduce context switching. The ambient nature of ClickUp Brain, plus AI Talk-to-Text, makes it attractive if your team benefits from constant in-app assistance and faster documentation. Its emphasis on measurable business impact, security standards, and broad adoption underscores its enterprise positioning. Jira, by contrast, is a powerful choice if you want to keep your existing tool stack but orchestrate it better, using AI to automate the layers of admin that slow teams down. If your priority is outcome-driven planning with tight alignment to goals, Rovo AI's planning jumpstarts, automated updates, and risk flagging support that discipline. The idea of human AI collaboration is central here. You remain in control, while agents take care of drafts, prototypes, and routine reporting, so momentum never dips. When you're weighing these options, anchor on what you're trying to fix. If your pain is too many tools, scattered context, and slow document creation across departments, ClickUp's all-in-one approach and specialized agents can help streamline and centralize. If your pain is heavy process overhead, fragmented status updates, and unclear alignment to strategy, Jira's outcome-first model and Rovo automation can help reduce the noise and keep teams synchronized. A practical way to evaluate is to map the work you do every week and pinpoint where time leaks occur. If most delays come from moving information between apps or searching for updates, consolidation may deliver outsized value. If delays come from manual planning, repetitive reporting, and unclear priorities, orchestration and AI-powered automation may be the faster win. Whichever direction you lean, set clear success criteria, like time to plan, cycle time chance, or percentage of automated updates, so you can measure the impact. The bottom line, both tools aim to give you back time and clarity using AI, but they take different roads to get there. ClickUp places everything under one roof with agents for every function and an assistant that's always on. Jira applies AI to accelerate planning, automate updates, and keep work aligned to goals while integrating the tools you already use. Choose the approach that best matches your team's reality today and the way you want to operate tomorrow. If you found any value in today's video, hit that like button, drop a note in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, and it ensures you don't miss future deep dives like this one.